Good morning everyone. My name is Bindu Kengwa, primary teacher at KV Malkapuram, Hyderabad region. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful story. The title of my story is Magic Pillow. Little Asu was awakened. He came out of the room. He saw his grandmother was coming from outside. Dadi smiled and said, "Hey, have you woken up?" Asu asked, "Dadi, where did you go in the morning?" Dadi said, "I go to the temple every morning, son." Yele Prasad. Grandma placed sweet lime and sugar candy on his palm. Asu was having great fun sucking sweet lime. This is a new type of toffee, he thought in his mind. He thought in his mind that if he goes to the temple with his grandmother, then he will get sweet lime and sugar candy to eat. Thinking of this, he asked Dadi, "Will you take me to the temple too?" Dadi looked at him and said, "If you get ready in the morning, then I will definitely take you." Pulling grandmother's sari, Pallu, he asked, "How do you wake me up every morning?" "My pillow has a magic clock, son, that wakes me up in the morning. If you want to wake up in the morning, then take that pillow from me at night. While sleeping, tell the pillow with the right heart about your waking time. He will definitely wake you up. But take care of one thing, do not sleep late at night." "Why, grandmother?" Asu asked. Dadi replied, "Otherwise, you won't feel like getting out of bed in the morning, even after the pillow is awakened." Asu came to grandparents' house with his parents. He was on school holidays. He was very happy with the magical pillow, as he was late to wake up for school every morning. Had to be ready in a hurry. Sometimes he missed the school bus and mummy also scolded him. At night, he went to his grandmother's bedroom. He was thinking carefully, looking at the pillows on the bed. Which of these pillows is a magical? Everyone looks the same in view. Then Grandma extended a small pillow towards him and asked, "You have eaten, haven't you?" Asu happily grabbed the pillow in his arms and said, "Yes, grandmother, I have eaten and brushed my teeth also." He went to his room and fell asleep by telling the pillow to wake up him very early in the morning. The next day he woke up early in the morning and reached his grandmother. Both got ready and went to the temple. After the puja, the grandmother gave him many sweet limes and sugar candy. Asu started going to the temple daily with his grandmother. The magic pillow woke him up on time every day. One day, while going to the temple, grandmother noticed that Asu is somewhat sad. She asked, "Asu, which thoughts are you immersed in?" Looking at Dadi, he said, "Grandmother, now my holiday is coming to an end. How will I wake up early in the morning? I don't have a magic pillow." Grandma held his hand and said, "Asu, my pillow is not a magical pillow. Daily, that pillow is not waking you up. Your mind is waking you up. When you try with true heart, then your effort is successful. This is the wonder of your strong willpower. When we are determined to do something in our mind, then our mental powers help us to fulfill it." Yes, Asu, let me tell you another special thing. Actually, our body moves with its own clock by which we sleep at the appointed time. We feel the need for food at the appointed time, which we can call mind clock or body clock. This watch is naturally present in humans, animals, and birds. We can make it stronger by practicing it. Asu was listening to Grandma's words with surprise. He asked Dadi, "By controlling the body clock with my willpower, am I awake early in the morning?" The grandmother nodded yes. and said, "Tonight you decide to wake up in the morning and sleep. Do not seek the help of takiya below." Asu did the same while sleeping at night, as the grandmother said. He woke up at the right time in the morning. Today, Asu was very happy. He recognized that the magic clock of his mind. Children, moral of the story: if we determine to do something in our mind, then our mental powers will help us to fulfill it. Some questions for you. Do you really wake up in the morning? Does your mother wake you up? Or do you get up on your own? Next question. Are you feeling happy in attending online classes? How do you make up your mind willing to attend regularly? Thank you, children.